Alright, let's continue on with our load wheel 3. Alright, let's set the tripod up. We're going to do some more load wheel action. I get my clamp meter out and we'll get everything set up. We'll do more tests. Let's see, I've got that on the 0. That's on spot on, that's good. Alright, this one's pretty ready for a test. Okay, time for a test. Crank up power. 50 amps. Let's do a 50 amp load test. Now, as a range adjusted, once I go ting ting and rattle, that means the saturation, there's too much current going for them. Now, in the first time, I never had my clamp meter, so I was probably putting at least 200 amps through this setup. So, use your ear. Listen for noises when you want to phantom load meters. If you get that rattle and ting, that means there's too much current. You're saturating the load wheel. So, a little bit is not going to hurt, but if you do it for hours on end or long enough, it will burn it out. The length of time that I did it wasn't long enough to do any damage, so I'll try it. Okay, yep, perfect. It is advanced 1/10 of a kilowatt hour, and so is a WF. Sweet. You let it go at 50 amps, nice and smooth, no rush. If I go too fast, the fun's over. Too quickly. Let it go 1 kilowatt hour. This camera's tilted on these tiles, unfortunately. There we go. My tripod's good to avoid motion sickness. The glare's not so bad today as well, it's good. Yesterday was nasty for the bloody glare. Alright. This bloody camera, it does a check card error again. This piece of shit. The camera might be getting a bit old. I got a check card error again. And this is not even the other card I used originally, it's a different card. I'll go to back to 50 amps. I tried at 60 actually. 61.2 amps. That one's fully loaded now. Alright. Oh yes, I got some glare on the Iskra. I might try another one of these, another take on my phone, because my iPhone can film in 4K ultra high definition. The only bottleneck with that is the bandwidth on the internet. Uploading is going to take a bloody year. And those of you in Australia especially are going to watch it, have shitty internet, you're not going to, you're going to need some time to watch that on. Right, we're halfway through so far. Got to keep an eye on this camera in case it stops again. Bloody thing. It's actually quite cool behind here. Nice breeze. That's one thing this place has got is good cooling with the air. My man cave never had that. There you go, yep, that's beautiful, look at that, eh? Nice load wheel action. I go slower this time, I won't put 100 amps to it, because it just goes by too quick. You want that action to last. This cord's a bit stiff on the mic, so it's very slightly crooked, that is. I won't bump it too much, not good for it. They can take a tiny bit of a tilt, not much. It's not good to tilt them, it's best to leave them straight to prevent wear if you want them to last. Oh well, once this video is done, I'm going to format this card again with the camera. That usually fixes the SD card out problem. Oh, I got it to stop. No 1/100th of a watt hour, kilowatt hour then. Pull the plug. Beautiful, look at that, eh? Neck and neck. Oh, Warburton Franki is keeping up. Neck and neck. Power's off. Unplug safety first. Varioc on 0. And there we are. Another successful test. That meter's accurate. Anyway, time for a clean. A bit of confusion here. Here's a WF3. Some of my collection are WF3 and some are WF3S's. Now they look pretty much identical to me. So I might say the WF3S's all the time, but half of them are actually WF3s. There you go, she cleaned it quite well. Look at that. Looks very British. Nice and clean. And accurate. Thanks so much.